Oh, Michelle.
Oh, Samuel.
It's been forever.
You're in the workshop.
I'm in the workshop.
Why?
But today I'm making a hangboard. So
Context. What is a hangboard?
A hangboard is a training climbing device. It's like a board from which you can hang. And it has like different types of holes, so like very thin to very wide to do different type of exercises. So basically what I'm doing now is checking on YouTube comparison of hangboards to see what functions I might want from that hangboard. And right now we're going into a jug. Some jugs, couple of jugs, 30-degree slopers. And then we need to decide like what kind of depth of hole that we want, from 20 mil to 6 mil, with maybe like a very deep one for one arm hang in the middle or one arm pull up. So that's a bit like where we are now. First thing we're gonna do is plane it actually, so that we can like then draw on it like properly. Table saw, I think what we do is like we place an insert here, we cut off this part with the table saw, okay? And then with the router, we finish the jug. We round up the edges and make it like nice and juggy. So we divided in the spaces of like 25 mil. So this we will not touch. This we would make a groove at 20, groove at 15, groove at 10, and a groove at 6 millimeters. And that's it, I think. And then in the middle here, we're gonna go for a big 30 hole for one arm hangs at the beginning. And I think that's it. So, now we're kind of done with the basic functionality. We have the main 20 mil here on the top, 15 mil on the edges on the side, 30 in the middle, 15 and 6 for the future when I'm like super strong. And then the sloper and the 2 jugs on the top. So now is going to be the time to like round everything up so that it becomes actually functional and doesn't break our fingers. I think we're done. Tadaaaa! Nice little project of the day. I have a little doubt about like the space between the two jugs, but also it's good. Like it's a different type of training. And then I always have like this big 30 mil hole in the middle to train if I want to be like a little bit closer and don't want to use the jug if it's too far. So let's see. Michel, done.